Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys not how to do travel braids. No, that video is coming next. Full detail, girl. Full detail how you do travel braids. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to grip knotless box braids. Left-handed tutorial. If you are right-handed, which I know most people are, I don't know if you want to watch this video. It still tells you how to grip, but it will be the opposite direction. I do know how to grip like with the right hand dominant. If you guys want me to make a video like that, I can. But like I said, this is a left-handed tutorial, guys. So yeah, do as you please when it comes to that. So that just means that I will feed hair in from the left hand side instead of feeding hair from the right hand side, all right? So also this video, I'm going to show you guys and tell you guys what is my favorite product to use when it comes to 4C hair and to grip it and keep it from slipping and getting frizzy. So here I am getting started. I am using the rat tail comb with the tooth missing. Everything that I'm using will be in the description box below. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rough draft part where I want my first row to go, put the product on the roots, and then clean up the parting with the comb. This is very, very important. Do a rough draft part, and then the product will make sure that the part stays really, really clean and the part is really, really neat, okay? Okay, so that first row is going to have 4 braids on that first row, all right? So here I am just parting everything down, guys. Everything down and detangling because our hair is natural and it is pretty thick, okay? So the product that I'm using is the Shine and Jam, but however, it is the Shine and Jam in the orange. The Shine and Jam in the orange container is the Supreme Hold. The yellow container is the Extra Hold, and then you have the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers, which is supposed to be a Super Hold, you know? But here I am starting, guys. So one part I am just parting it vertically, and the other 2 parts I am making a part horizontally. So that is how I'm going to grip. I feel like you get a really, really precise grip doing it that way. Guys, I don't know if other people do this, but this is what I've learned to get all the areas of the hair together, secure, and all blended in together, okay? Also, when it comes to feeding braids, I like to start adding in little pieces and gradually add bigger pieces because it helps the transition go quicker and go smoother. Whenever you are feeding in big pieces for a small space, it's going to look lumpy. If you have large braids, feeding it in large pieces looks better. However, it still will not transition as well as if you are starting off with small pieces, all right? That is the size that I want to get to. I literally just kept feeding in until I reached the thickness that I want this braid to be. And then I'm just going to braid down. So I will show a picture of the Shine and Jam product that I'm talking about multiple times in this video. So that way you guys can get a clear shot on how it looks. That first braid is going to be the braid that you're going to use as an example for all the other braids. Once you do that braid, you're going to use that second braid to mimic that previous braid. And as you go and braid more braids, that previous braid on the one that you just did, that braid is going to mimic the new braid. So you're just going to really copy. That is how you help get to the same size that the other braids do. I do not count how many pieces I add because honestly, some pieces, you're not a robot, okay? Some pieces are going to be bigger than others. So if you always say, you know, I'm just going to add 6 pieces per braid, sometimes there may be a possibility of some braids being bigger and some braids being smaller, okay, guys? So in order to help with that, just eyeball it. When you start seeing it look like the other braid that you just did, then you can stop adding hair, all right? So guys, I'm doing that same thing with this new braid. I'm just going to keep adding hair adding little kind of small medium pieces until I get the thickness that I want this braid to be. Now, as you can see in this braid, you're going to see me like tuck the client's hair, even though the client has dark hair that matches the braiding hair. Tucking the natural hair behind the braiding hair helps combat frizz, premature frizz that you do not need and nobody likes. Always just make sure you push their hair behind the braiding hair and fold it and tuck it under it, so that way you're not seeing it stick out throughout the braid prematurely, okay? So guys, that's basically the concept that I'm going to use. I am going to do one more braid, slow down and close up so you guys can see what I'm doing from another angle. And that's it. I am going to continue with this video after I show you guys that, only because I want you guys to see the finished product and kind of how I did the tribal braids. I'm not really showing you how to do the front, but I'm definitely showing you how to do the box braids in the back. All right, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hope it was helpful. I hope you guys are enjoying this consistent content. I am planning to be consistent for a while, guys. I'm planning to be consistent the rest of 2021, just to see how my channel goes. I really feel like I get a lot better feedback when I'm being very consistent on my channel, and I actually am putting YouTube as my full-time instead of part-time. So I'm going to be posting and be present on this channel every day. Love you guys so much. If you guys have any requests, make sure you comment down below. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel, because you will be getting videos. If not every day, girl, you're going to get it 6 days a week. All right. Love you guys so much. And thank y'all for tuning in and watching this video. And enjoy the music. Love y'all. Bye.